and answer why, oh why could it all just be a simple game? Level up until you go insane. The pain is just imaginary. To be or not to be, such a clever inquiry. Cutting my toes, but I'm not cool. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. It's all just in your head. It's all just in your head. It's a nice thing to say, but it doesn't make them voices go away. It's all just in your head. It's a nice thing to say, but it doesn't make them voices go away. It's all just in your head. It's all just in your head. It's a nice thing to say, but it doesn't make them voices go away. It's all just in your head. Searching for a hole in the sky. It's all just in your head. It's all just in your head. It's a nice thing to say, but it doesn't make the voices go away. It's all just in your head. It's all just in your head. It's a nice thing to say, but it doesn't make the voices go away.
Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's excellent adventure.
We are here at the Cardinal Center Campground in Marengo, Ohio. It's Sunday today, so we're actually getting ready to leave.
We are pretty much right off of 71, right in the smack middle of Ohio. We're probably pretty close to it.
We're here this weekend for the Ohio Content Creators Facebook page that we're a part of. There's a group that they put together so we could learn all kinds of stuff.
All kinds of media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of that kinds of social media.
And we made a lot of new friends too.
We did. Some amazing people. I want to thank everybody who worked so hard putting it all together.
Yeah. We learned a lot of stuff. It was like going back to school.
Yeah, it was really nice. Just a good time. Great people. Had a lot of fun around the campfire. There was some cornhole going on. We actually went over to Mount Gilead State Park yesterday and did some volunteer work, cleaning up some trails, trying to widen them a little bit, clean some of the brush. A couple of the guys worked really hard clearing out a tree. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah. And the campground here, it's nice. It's a private campground. I think we're kind of spoiled with our state parks.
Yeah, we do. We do enjoy the peace and quiet of the state parks.
Yeah, where this one, where our site is, it's right off the highway, so you get a lot of highway noise, but
Right.
it was perfect for what we needed this weekend. There was a little pavilion right there. It was all centralized. They actually do have a nice indoor pool here. They got a little fishing pond with a gazebo on it, so it's a pretty nice place.
And you can hear the trap shooting off in the background.
Yeah, they got a lot of gun ranges.
Yeah, but neat place. I'm glad we got to experience it. Yeah, it was great for the group with the pavilion. Very central. We probably had about 30, 35 maybe. I don't think quite 40 people here. Here we're going to go through the campers that everybody was here, the different pages. If we can do this without messing it up too bad. You can see on here. Let's see. Can you hold that? Okay, we had Boondockin' Boyer. Sean, great to meet you. Super nice guy. Those who glamped together, I know she did a lot. Joni did a lot putting this together for us. We had Camping with the Confers. Shelly helped out a lot too, putting it together. I'm making sure that I'm holding this here steady. With Foxtrot Adventures, the Floros, Living on the Wedge, the Rio Weekend Warriors, Glam Fam Campers, TNT RVing. We had Cruising with the Colemans. She also helped a lot putting this together, I think between the 6 of them. They did a great job again. We had the Adventure Bandits. Awesome meeting you guys. I hope we're not missing anybody. But again, you know, we had a good weekend.
Yep. So getting ready to head home here and planning for our next adventure.
Yep, looking forward to it. So have a safe time driving out.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo. Bye.
Bye.